How does the GSE Satellite driver 6 steps work? Before installing the controller, expose the wall mount brackets. Use the screws supplied with the controller when mounting the controller to your wall. Be sure to mount the controller in a safe place, keeping it well ventilated. For safety reasons, it is strongly recommended to mount on non-flammable surface, such as brick, concrete, and never wood, plastic, cardboard, or similar. Do not place your controller in small unventilated rooms or cabinets. Improper installation will result in overheating of the controller. Plug your AC fan into the socket. Connect your fan controller, master controller, with EC output 0 to 10 volts, or PWM signal, to EC in. If you have more than one, connect the next satellite driver, slave controller, to EC out. Power your controller and check that the power LED light is lit up. The 6 steps satellite driver can extend your AC fan installation by 350 watts power, and switches between 6 steps. From step 1 to step 6, depending on the master controller fan speed. This satellite is based on a transformer, voltage regulator, and makes no hum to the fans. The exhaust and intake fans have 2 fan speed jumpers inside of the satellite driver. By default, the minimum speed of the exhaust air fan, which comes from EC in, is always on step 1. Most of the time we use this to avoid odors escaping, and creating a negative pressure in the room. Switch the jumper JMP2 between on, or off, if you want your AC fan to switch off. You can use the jumper JMP1, to switch from clone, to step down, to run 1 step behind. This changes the output to EC out. We use this to create a negative pressure during the controlling for the intake fan. If you use satellite 6-step transformer, you cannot connect the intake satellite directly to the master fan controller. The intake and exhaust satellite will not switch together at the same time. To solve this problem, you connect both satellites in series, and tell the exhaust satellite to run the intake satellite 1 step behind. Then the intake and exhaust satellite will switch simultaneously.